Hello and welcome to Whispers of Faith with me, Mombi Jane. If life has knocked you down and you're wondering, will I ever recover? Then today's message is for you. But before that, I would like you to subscribe to this channel so that you can be a part of the family. Turn on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be notified. Like this video, share it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now let's talk about Job. Job was a righteous man, yet in a short moment, he lost everything. His family, his wealth, his health, and even his peace. Pain surrounded him, and God's silence felt more heavy. But here's the truth. Job's story did not end in loss. The Bible says in Job chapter 42 verse 12 that the Lord blessed Job's later life more than before. God saw every tear. He had every question. And at the appointed time, God restored Job double than what was lost. What felt like punishment was actually preparation. What looked like the end was only a chapter. Maybe today you're hurting. Maybe you've lost something that you can't even replace. Hold on to this promise. God is not done with you. Your pain is real, but it is not final. Your ending will be greater than what you're going through now. Don't lose hope. Trust God's process. He restores and He does it beautifully. Keep praying, keep trusting, keep believing, and keep walking with God. See you in the next video. God bless you.